Hello, and welcome to Design Guy. Want to design awesome custom name labels? I'll walk you through every step in Canva. Click the Create button at the top of your dashboard to start a new project. This will open a setup window where you can choose your project type and enter a project name. Once you've selected your preferences, click Continue to proceed to the next step in creating your new project. Next, type in the label or sticker name you want to use. Click inside the text box, then enter your desired label. Make sure the spelling is correct. Labels help organize your content for easier searching and filtering later. When finished, review your entry before moving to the next step. On the left side, browse through the available options. Select the design you want to use for your stickers by clicking on your preferred choice from the menu. Select the first option, then choose the second one. Next, update the label by entering a new name. For example, type strawberry. This lets you clearly identify your selection. Once you've changed the label, your adjustment will be saved automatically. To change the image, go to the Elements tab in the sidebar. In the search bar, type Image and press Enter. Browse through the available images until you find one that fits your needs. Select the image that looks best to you. Click on it to add it to your design. Adjust the size and position as needed to make sure it looks just right in your project. Change the label by clicking on it and entering your desired text. You can also modify the group settings by selecting the group menu and choosing a different group. Make sure to save your changes before moving on to the next step. Click the Edit button to view additional color options for this design. A color palette will appear, allowing you to select from various available colors. To adjust the intensity of the color, use the slider labeled Intensity beneath the palette. Moving the slider to the left will reduce the color's boldness, making it more subtle. Sliding it to the right will increase the color intensity, resulting in a more vibrant and striking appearance. Experiment with these settings until you achieve your desired look. Once you're happy with your design, click the Share button in the top right corner. In the drop-down menu, select the Download option. Next, choose your preferred file format. If you want a digital copy, select PNG for high-quality images. If you need to print the design, choose PDF Print for the best print resolution. Review your settings to make sure everything is correct. Finally, click the Download button to save your file to your device. Your design is now ready to use or share. You just learned how to design awesome name label stickers in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.